Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, welcome everyone. We are excited to talk with you today about accounting. I'm the enrollment coach for accounting programs, and we are also joined here today for more information about it. So let's get started. What is for today's agenda? So the discounts for attending live today. You will be receiving the follow-up email after the information session by tomorrow with the discount information. And also I will be going through about accounting program information, including the 2 certificate programs, as well as the courses. And also I will give you more information about enrollment options and the pricing, how to finance your education. So toward the end of the information session, I will leave the time for Q&A, so you can ask questions lively. I'll be able to answer your question lively. Next one. So see, you will be receiving the email, the follow-up email, so that let me know if you don't receive any email. I will give my information. So feel free to reach out to me individually. Here is my contact information. You can see my email and also my calendar link. So feel free to schedule a one-on-one meeting through Zoom or phone call to discuss furthermore about your plan, as well as more information about this program. For accounting program, there are 2 certificates program. They are completely online, and we are following quota system. So 4 quota units of academic credit will be each class. And then we also encourage you to, you can find a lot of great information on our website, but if you want to know more about your personal plan, just reach out to me. I can help you to build up your own personal plan. And there are 2 accounting programs. One is accounting principle program. So accounting principle certificate offers core coursework. It is similar to an undergraduate minor. And for accounting specialist program, there are 5 courses in total, focusing on specific areas of accounting, and is recommended for those who have already taken some basic accounting courses or who have already experience in the field and are simply looking for advanced coursework. So the accounting specialist program is more like for advanced level. For accounting principles program is more about a beginner or new to the accounting field. So completing the coursework in both certificates will meet you for the accounting education requirements to sit for the CPA exam. But if you want to know more about the CPA exam, we'd recommend you to go to the California Board of Accountancy for more information, as there are many other requirements in order for you to be eligible to sit for the CPA exam. And also, students are not required to take the principal certificate prior to pursuing the specialist certificate. However, the Principles of Financial Accounting course is the prerequisite for all the other courses, means that you can enroll in the whole certificate program to any one of the 2 programs, or you can take individual courses from the 9 courses in total. So we generally recommend the people who are working full-time just take 1 course per quarter. So 1 quarter is about a 3-month long. Certificates. So for the fast track, enroll in the fast track section means that the fast track means that you will need to be able to enroll in the whole certificate program. So you will need to follow specific course plan and committing to set up a course plan. Take 1 course per quarter continuously. So make sure this plan is ready for you since you are committing to this course plan and may incur fees and penalties if you need to make changes. And you will have the priority to enroll in all the classes within the certificate program. So all courses must be taken with us. Pay for the entire, you will need to, I'm sorry. So you will need to pay, oh, give me a second. So you will need to pay the entire program up in the front. with the lump sum tuition, but with the biggest tuition discount, 15% off. Also, you can get a registration fee, which means the certificate fee waived. Let's talk about the first certificate we offer is the principal's certificate. So there are 4 courses in total. The certificate is perfect for individuals with no accounting experience. That is very good for a career changer or career starter, or those who may be working in the field, but who don't have formal or recent coursework. You want to have more professional training, practical training in accounting. You will want to begin with the Principles of Financial Accounting class. So this is offering every quarter, Principles of Financial Accounting. So this one is also the prerequisite for all the other courses within the 2 accounting certificate programs. All the other courses are offered every other quarter. So you can see Intermediate Accounting Part 1, and also there is Intermediate Accounting Part 2. So make sure if you want to take Intermediate Accounting Part 2, you will need to take a Part 1 first. And then there is a Principles of Cost Accounting. For the specialist program, is designed for those who already have accounting experience and or accounting coursework. So for example, if you minor in accounting as an undergraduate study, this would be the right program for you since you already have the core courseworks. Once again, so the Principles of Financial Accounting course is the required prerequisite for all of these courses. So these courses can be taken in any order. There's no specific order, just need to make sure you meet the prerequisite as for Principles of Financial Accounting. For people who don't want to take the Principal Certificate program, please reach out to me because we will need to see if you meet the Principles of Financial Accounting, this prerequisite course, in order for you to start with the specialist program. So these courses can be taken in any order, and also they are each offered 1 time a year, with exception of financial statement analysis is offered twice a year. And again, for people who are interested in sitting for the CPA exam, you will need to take all the 9 of our courses to meet the 36 quarter unit requirements, including ethics in accounting courses, which is the only specifically required course. So we really recommend you to visit the CPA Board of Accountancy, the website, and to prepare for the exam. Okay. You can pursue our certificates in 2 options. One is at your own pace, means that you enroll in the certificate program and then pay for 1 course at a time. And also you have 5 years to complete all the coursework. So which means that some people, they have a life obligation, or you need to more time management to other things in your life, in your daily life, in your work. You can take, for example, you can take a winter quarter, skip spring quarter, and you can take a resume in summer quarter and continue with the fall quarter. So for all of this kind of a situation, make sure you can complete all the required courses within 5 years in order for you to receive the certificate. For the fast track, like what I just mentioned, there will be the lump sum tuition pay up in the front, and with 15% discount, and you can save about $528 on the cost of the program. But if you enroll 1 course at a time, you will the cost will be $880 per course. Total will be $3,520. So there will be another $125 certificate registration fee prior to get the certificate. So the textbooks are not included in the tuition. You will need to prepare approximately around $500 to $600 for the entire program. Okay. Here is the same thing as the accounting specialist certificate program. So you can see there is a faster track, 15% off tuition discount, as well as enroll 1 course per quarter. And the textbook will be slightly different from accounting principal program. That will be approximately around $800. So this is additional information for the CPA exam, because the specialist certificate program is designed for those who already have accounting experience. And then for the CPA, you can see taking both the certificate will provide enough credits to fulfill the 36 credit hours in accounting subjects. So again, I'd recommend you to confirm with the CPA, the Board of Accountancy, for more information about the requirement to sit for the CPA exam. For the order of the certificate, as there are 2 certificate programs, there is no order required for you to take principles first or specialist first. You will just need to make sure you have the prerequisite course done. So here is a list of our upcoming classes. So each class follows a weekly schedule. Excuse me. And you will receive guidance and feedback on your work from an instructor with the first-hand knowledge of the field. Expect to spend about 10 to 12 hours per week per course. So here is a winter course 2023. The winter quarter starts on January 9 to April 6. So after that will be the spring quarter, early April to June, and then will be the summer quarter, the end of June to the end of August, and the last quarter of the year is the fall, starting from the early September to December. There is no previous accounting experience needed to begin our principal program. But you will need to be aware of the prerequisite. Again, if you have already taken some classes that you think is equivalent to our principles of financial accounting, this is a prerequisite course, you just feel free to email me your transcript. So we will conduct an eligibility review to see if you are able to waive the prerequisite course. Here, there are some financing options. So we are working with some workforce financing, special financing, like a YOA, like a student loan, like a job training funds, and veteran, this is VA approved benefits program as well. So we have a finance advisor, Suzette. Here I have listed her contact information. So just feel free to reach out to her if you think that you would like to use your special financing option, or you can just reach out to me. I can help you to connect with her for more information about the special funding, about the private loan, as well as other information. Okay, give me a second. So let me conduct a tool. Give me a second. Let me conduct a survey. So you can, I would like to know about your next step. So just feel free to answer the questions. You're welcome. Thank you for your participation. And after the survey, I will open up for the Q&A. So feel free to enter your question in the Q&A box. I will be able to answer your questions. That would be great. Thank you for your participation. Okay. Give me, okay, right now, so I'm open up for the Q&A section. So please feel free to enter your question into the Q&A box, and I will be able to answer your question. Otherwise, I will be able to put my information in the chat box for my email as well as my calendar link. So you can just feel free to schedule with me for more information or for your study plan. I will be able to work with you one-on-one to your study plan. This is my email address. Here's my calendar link. You can just click into my calendar link to schedule a one-on-one meeting with me. I can either call you or we can conduct a Zoom meeting and discuss about your study plan as well as your background. Okay, seems like everyone is solid. I will give another 3 minutes. So feel free to put into your question in the Q&A box. Yeah, if there's no question, later on, I will send you a follow-up email, will including the enrollment link. So right now it's time to enroll in the January class, the winter class. I'd recommend you to do so before the holiday, as there will be the holiday season, so everything will be slowed down. So I will be recommend you to start enrollment as early as possible. There will be early enrollment discount as well if you don't using the information session code. Okay. As this is a completely online class, so really oh, I see a question. Are there options to enroll in class that are specific to an industry like construction? Yeah, great question, Andre. Thank you for your question. We do have a construction management program, so you can feel free to send me the email. There's construction accounting and the financial analysis class as well. So if you are working in the construction area, I'd recommend you to go with the construction management. So feel free to email to me. I can send you more information regarding the construction management program information. This is a complete online class. There's no set. It is a good thing is that it's very flexible. You do not need to sit for the setup schedule. We are using learning platform Canvas, so you can access to the Canvas learning platform anytime during the day or anytime during the week. So the class will be going week by week. You will need to just fulfill to submit weekly due assignments, and it will be good. And the thing is that as most of the people are full-time working professionals, you can just pace your own schedule. For example, you can choose to study during the weekdays, evening, or over the weekend. You just need to make sure you just need to spend at least 9 to 12 hours per week for one class. Even though it's online class, instructors are available as well. So once you have any question, any problem about the class, you just need to feel free to reach out to our instructors from the Canvas learning platform, and you can get immediate help from them. So let me give 1 more minute for the Q&A. If there is no other question, I will be finishing up about today's information session, okay? Okay, thank you so much for everyone for attending our today's accounting information session. So please feel free to reach out to me, and I can work with you one-on-one for your personal study plan, and also share me more about your background, your work experience. I can see whether this program fits you well. Thank you for your time today. Have a good day. Bye.